Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make 20-minute simple carrot fry recipe. Tasty Kerala style carrot coconut fry recipe. This recipe is so delicious and needs less ingredients. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Add half teaspoon mustard seeds and wait until it splutters. Then keep it low flame and add 2 red chillies cut into halves, 6 chopped shallots, some curry leaves, 2 cups of chopped carrot, 1 cup of grated coconut, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 3/4 teaspoon salt, 2 green chillie slits, 1 tablespoon water. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, open the lid and stir it.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Cook for 2 minutes without closing the lid. Stir it every 30 seconds to avoid burning. Now we can switch off the flame. Our Kerala style carrot coconut stir fry recipe is ready. Store it in a refrigerator if you are keeping it for the next day.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.